30G 10G, 95%. Great eSIM and fast. eSIM. Easy to set up and use. Hassle-free. QReSIM. It is easy to install and activate smoothly. There are basically no websites that cannot be opened. The price is also very cheap. It is the best eSIM among the several I have bought recently. I added the eSIM before departure, so I could connect to the internet even after landing and before I even got off the plane. It was very convenient. I used this SIM card at Mulu National Park. When I booked a stay at a cottage in the park, I was told that only DigiCards were accepted, so I brought this SIM card with me. I thought it was the original, but it seems that it was occasionally picking up other lines due to roaming. There are many areas in the park where the connection is lost, but I was able to search without any problems around the park office. I Haven and number 39, T watch the video, so I Don and number 39, T know if it will work. Always purchase this plan when I'm in Malaysia, reliable and cheap. eSIM Day. Data worked fine in JB. Although it said the voucher was invalid when I first scanned the code, I got help quickly and everything went smoothly afterwards. The customer service responded quickly. They solved the problem for me right after I turned on the internet and it did and number 39, T work. I remember it was a network that started with Inquat, C Inquat. It was easy to set up and I had no problems communicating. There were a wide variety of storage options, so I was able to choose the one that suited me. KL. I installed the eSIM at home and set it up when I got to my destination. It worked smoothly and without any issues. I used it for climbing Kota Kinabalu and Mount Kinabalu. I was able to set it up while I was waiting at Kuala Lumpur Airport during my transit, and the signal was good even in the mountains, so it was very convenient. I would like to use it again,